How to install TemplateExpress from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install TemplateExpress. Click the TemplateExpress link here. This is the TemplateExpress installation screen. TemplateExpress is a collection of static website templates that you can add to your website. You will need to use FTP to edit the HTML files once installed, replacing the default text with your own. Click the New Installation link here. Then choose a category. Choose a specific template you want to install. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter your name here. Complete the rest of the fields with appropriate information. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! The template has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log into your new installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install TemplateExpress to your account from within Fantastico. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.